Greetings, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. And so this is just to help out Google Fi users, as there are Google Fi users who are questioning why is data calculation so high when they were on previous providers, using their phone the same way they've always used it. It's never really reported this high of data usage. And to answer that question, the reason that it does that is because Fi has always been set up to rely on the best network connectivity, whether you're on Wi-Fi or not on Wi-Fi. But if you happen to be on Wi-Fi and it perceives your mobile data to be stronger, even though Wi-Fi is turned on when you are just using your phone as normal, it is actually using mobile data and not the Wi-Fi connection. It switches in between. I wish there was a way for, Fi to implement a way for you to see when you are in fact using mobile data, even though you're connected to Wi-Fi. I think that's something that they should implement. But to kind of solve this issue, what you want to do is just turn off mobile data always active. Now, I know it's not popular to have to do these things, but this will in fact save you on the data that you use. So this is just how simple it is to do it. You're going to go into your settings, go to About Phone, find at the very bottom build number and click on that 5 times to enable developer options. Back out of it, go into System, scroll down to developer options, go into it. You'll find mobile data always active and turn it off. The caveat to this is that when you are switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, so if you turn off Wi-Fi, it will take a little bit longer for it to connect to mobile data, but this saves from data calculation against what you're using on your device when you want to be using Wi-Fi. So I just thought this might help out Google Fi users. Let me know what you think. Thanks for checking it out. Peace.